Is it on hearing?
Mm-hmm. Oh, no.
I farted.
No, you didn't. You're just being tricky.
Hi, guys. I'm having a great day. I'm having a great day.
What are you doing?
Farting.
Oh, no.
Because watch.
That's awful. Oh, that didn't work, did it?
Because watch this. Wait, let me just.
Oops.
Hey guys, how was your day? Oops, I farted. Are you putting this on YouTube?
I don't know, it might.
Yes, please. Let me try this again.
Ooh. Oh.
That was lazy.
Really?
It was lazy.
Here, try them both.
Okay. At the same time?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see.
Oh. Really?
We both farted at the same time. Dad, you try it.
Let me see. I don't know if I can get both to work or not.
Here, I'll do this one and we just.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Mine was better. Mine was better.
Yeah, this one's kind of cute. It bulges out.
What? Let me see. Let me see.
And then it does that. Oh, boy.
So.
Oh, this one didn't.
If this is on YouTube, let me show you something. La la la, it's been a great day. I wonder if I should go to bed. Oh no, I'm fine. You do one of those.
You are not my child.
You do one of those, Daddy.
No, I'm not going to do that.
Okay, let me show you. This is good. Okay, let me try to do this.
Let's try to do one more big one, then we'll say goodbye.
And then we can just mess around.
Yeah, put both of them together in the orange one. No, put them in the orange one. Yeah, mash them together.
We're going to try double.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Ugh. Well, it's been a wonderful day. So, how's your day going? How's your day been going? So, good. But why do I smell something? Oh, nothing. It's probably just like poop.
Lizzie, come here.
Goodbye, guys. Goodbye, guys. So, let me show you something awesome. Dad, can we just mess around now?
2, 3. Good job.
All right.